This is America, and we are not safe on the streets and not in our schools.
Cultivating and empowering. These are two words that describe this moment, this movement. On March 2nd, 2018, the students of Senn High School displayed their awareness about not only the Parkland shooting, but gun violence around the country. The future of this country stood up proud and expressed themselves together in unity.
Like, we were expecting at the best 100, but the fact that there was like a lot of kids coming out was really awesome, and it really helped kind of create the impact, because when there was more kids, we were more visible, and it showed that a lot of people, it wasn't just a small group of people that really cared about the issue.
The time has come for us to stop waiting and start doing. The time has come for us to take control of our own future, save our own lives, create an American society where we feel safe and represented. Tell me what democracy looks like. This is what democracy looks like.
All right, so for the walkout, I was right here over by this window, and I stuck the camera through and was able to see the students organize and march out, and I have to admit that I even shed a tear when I heard them chanting, "This is what democracy looks like." It was definitely one of the proudest moments I've had as an educator.
It was really inspiring to see everyone, pounding the pavement and really like marching and chanting like for what they believe. I hope that a lot of kids were educated on the topic of, gun control and the effects of gun violence in America.
Overall, I thought the student body did a really effective job of organizing, especially such a large scale event. I think there were probably anywhere between 400 to 500 students that participated in the walkout. The crowd was fired up and highly energized, but very respectful to the community, to each other, to the law enforcement that was present there. I thought they were respectful to the guest speakers that came out and spoke on behalf of Schakowsky and the 48th Ward office. So yeah, I was really proud with the way everybody handled themselves.